In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add pricing options to a product on Whop, step by step, so you can give customers more than one way to buy your offer. This is super useful if you want to add a one-time payment, a monthly subscription, a yearly plan, or even test different pricing structures without rebuilding your product from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Whop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to whop.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, click Dashboard. This is where you manage all of your products, settings, and checkout options in one place. From the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Products. That will take you to the list of products connected to your Whop account. Now select the specific product that you want to add pricing options to. If you have multiple products, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong checkout page. After you open the product, scroll down until you find the pricing section. This is usually located directly below your current pricing card, so if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little. Once you're in the pricing section, click Add Pricing option. In some accounts, this may appear as Add Another Visible Billing Period. Either way, this is the button that lets you create an additional way for customers to pay for the same product. Now, you'll need to configure your billing details. Start with the price field and enter the dollar amount you want to charge. Then choose the correct currency so everything matches your target market. Next, set your billing frequency. If you want customers to pay once and get lifetime access, choose one time. If you want a subscription model, choose recurring, such as monthly or yearly. After that, check any additional settings you want to use. For example, you can enable a free trial if you want customers to try the products before being charged. You can also set stock limits if you want to limit how many buyers can access a certain pricing option. And if your product needs custom payment options, make sure those are enabled as well. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check the price, billing frequency, and any extras you turned on. This is important because even a small mistake in pricing can confuse customers or affect your sales. Once everything looks correct, click Save Product or Save Changes, depending on what your dashboard shows. After you save, Whop will automatically update your product checkout page. That means both pricing options will now show up for your customers, and they'll be able to choose the plan that fits them best. This is a great way to increase conversions, offer flexibility, and make your product look more professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to add pricing options to a product on Whop. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Whop walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.